Today is Christmas Day, so we're having some grocery shopping here in Incheon, Korea. So this one, the kids are inside the grocery store. So this place is sikat to no? Yung Lotte Super. We just drop off Maya sa hair salon niya. It's deceiving today kasi kahit na sabihin mong it's a sunny day, the weather is very cold. Kaya naka 3 layers pa rin kami. You have this main highway in Incheon. So you observe how organized yung mass transport system nila, yung buses. Clear masyado yung sky, no? Surprisingly, but the weather is almost sub-zero. Super lamig, no? Super lamig. Double yung mga damit namin. So, while waiting for the 3 girls to shopping, because today is December 24. It's Christmas Day. Iba na rin yung bakasyon ngayon, because instead of spending it at home, the kids are spread everywhere. Tingnan mo yung mga buses nila. They have color coding, they have number coding, may rota sila. There's designated time also, no, sa mga biyahe nila, so you know exactly what hour and minute dadating yung bus. You just stay for pick up for few seconds, 10 to 20 seconds, then alis ka agad. So that's one way of making the transportation system more efficient. Okay, pasok tayo dito sa loob. They're here sa loob, no? They're here inside. No. Uy, sarap. Nagawa kayo ng grapes. You know, sarap grapes. Ito yung paborito ko. Green grapes. No? Kuha kayo fruits. Dito yung lettuce. Uy, may mga ham pala dito. Kuha tayo. Okay.